Welcome to Ojan Beauty. In this video, we'll guide you through connecting, wearing, and operating the 24 Airbags full-body pressotherapy machine. 1. Connecting power and cables. Plug the power cable into a grounded outlet. Turn on the switch. The Ojan Beauty display will light up. Now connect the suit hoses. Each hose is numbered. Match hose 1 to port 1, hose 2 to port 2, and so on. Push each connection firmly to avoid air leakage. 2. Wearing the suit correctly. Ask the client to lie comfortably. Open the leg sleeves and help them slide inside. Pull the suit up to thighs, hips, abdomen, and arms depending on the model. Close all zippers or Velcro comfortably, not tight, not loose. Make sure hoses are straight and not twisted. 3. Using the screen and buttons. On the Ojan Beauty control screen, you'll see mode selection, pressure adjustment, and timer settings. Tap mode to choose your program, set pressure according to client comfort, and adjust the session duration. 4. Explanation of all 6 modes. Mode 1. Sequential 1 to 12. Inflates groups 1 by 1 from 1 to 12. Each group stops once the next begins. Mode 2. 2-group sequential. Inflates pairs. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6. Each pair stops as the next one inflates. Mode 3. Accumulating sequential. Inflates 1, then 2, then 3, while keeping earlier groups inflated until reaching 12. Mode 4. Symmetrical compression. Inflates 1, then 2, then 3, while keeping earlier groups inflated until reaching 12. From both ends, 1 plus 12, 2 plus 11, 3 plus 10. Each pair deflates as the next inflates. Mode 5. Upper body. Mode inflates from 12 to 7. In reverse sequence, Mode 6. Lower body mode. Sequential inflation from 1 to 6 for targeted leg relief. 5. Far infrared. Far infrared sauna is a healthy weight loss solution without exercising. Infrared saunas can burn 400 to 600 calories in just one 30-minute session. 6. Starting the treatment. When your mode, pressure, and time are set, press start. The suit will begin inflating. Ensure the client feels firm, comfortable pressure, never pain. 7. Functions. Promote blood circulation, body shaping against cellulite, fatty deposits, and fluid retention. Reduce pressure, relax body and mind. Relaxation for the whole body and cellulites reducing. Reduce edema or swelling. Fat dissolution, reduce orange line. Lose white and dispel toxin. Physical therapy to care muscle and nerve disease. 8. Ending the session. When the timer completes, the system automatically deflates. Press stop if needed. Open the suit, help the client out, and turn off the machine. Final message. Thank you for choosing Ojan Beauty. Your 24 Airbags pressotherapy machine is now ready for professional use. For best results, always follow safety and comfort guidelines.